What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Crunch Time, man, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, but the Army has all my time. But I actually want to come to you guys today to show you guys a new video that I'm doing based on putting a new bumper insert inside of my 2016 Dodge Challenger. There's no videos that I've seen that actually explain how to actually do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take off my front bumper. There's plenty of videos about taking off a front bumper online, but I'm going to show you guys how to put the insert in. So if you guys look at my insert on my vehicle, it's faded. Like, it's all white, all types of shit on it, whatnot. I don't like it. So what I'm going to do is I am actually going to remove this. I actually have the part here. See? Ordered a new part. Went to Dodge. Dodge wanted $330. So I myself went on eBay, found the part, and actually got it for $230. So I actually saved myself a pretty good bit of change or whatever. So the Challenger is still holding up. Everything's still looking good. No problems other than my wife being a speed demon. Other than that, everything's looking good. Next mod is going to actually be bigger tires. Probably putting some bigger rims on, probably 22-inch in the back, 20s in the front. Give it that staggered look. But everything looks good on the car. Can't complain. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take off the front bumper. And then after the front bumper, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to actually install this part here. So with that being said, I'll let you guys kick back and I'll be back shortly. All right, guys, I'm back. So as far as right now, I actually pulled the front bumper off. Found out I got some pieces broken, but it's okay. So what I did was I went ahead and used my pry tools, which I have here. I removed the front grille. Very easy to do. I removed the circular headlight covers. Very easy to do. Now, the part is tedious and actually you have to take your time doing. So when it comes down to these things here, man, you have to press up here to release it and then press down and then pull up to release each part, man. Like, these tabs can be broken off. I would say take your time. This is a trial and error for me. I've never done it before. I am an amateur, so hope you guys don't come at me. Sorry if the video's all over the place. This is like a spur of the moment thing I feel like throwing on YouTube, get some more content out. But I think it's gonna come through looking good, man. So when I get back to it, I will have the inside of the insert out. All right, guys, so I literally just finished, excuse the paper. I just finished prying everything out. Thank God I didn't break any tabs. There are a few tabs that are already broken, so I'm guessing someone already tried to replace this thing. Whatnot, this is the old piece here. These are a bitch. Just to let you guys know, man, if this is what you guys plan on doing, they are a bitch. So if you guys got the time and the effort, take your time. I repeat, take your time. You know, get you some panel poppers, man, and take your time. It's easy if you were to get two people to do it. My wife is upstairs asleep, so got to do everything by myself. But it's not that hard. It's just time consuming. So if you can, take your time. Don't rush it. If you can get someone to help you, help you. And this is a moment too to also check any other parts of your car that may be damaged or, you know, need some TLC. This is the time to do that when it's behind the bumper. So next video I'm gonna put out is actually gonna be about the tires, like I said, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall the insert. I'm gonna put these pieces back on. I do have the Challenger RT blacktop package, so these are here gonna snap back in to my new piece right here, and then we're gonna go basically install it. So basically what I'm doing is basically just squeezing the clips back in here so it can fit back inside the channels. Not hard at all. All these are in. Like I say, this plastic is very finicky. As you guys can see here, man, all I'm doing is just snapping them back in, stepping the grill back in. Make sure everything fits. Sorry about the angles. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but got the grill back in. Now, time for reassembly. So, what I'm gonna do is putting all this stuff back in, push it, make sure it's all in. Make sure too, man, when you guys taking off your bumpers, man, make sure you put something down. So I actually took this moving cover, man, with me and my wife, PCS here from Hawaii. I actually put this cover down to keep my bumper from getting scratched up. Nobody wants to have to really go repaint a bumper. I have to repaint mine. But until that time comes, man, I'm not looking to have any additional problems. But so far, this is what you got. It's all in. Lift it up for you. So this is what the new one looks like. It's not faded like that other one. Like I said, I'm getting this repainted and the whole front bumper repainted soon. This right here was just a fucking eyesore other than those paint marks, man. Now, time to get back to hustle. All right, guys, here's the finished product. Here's everything looking pretty nice and good. A little dusty, whatnot. Like I said, I'm going to actually take this to go get painted soon. I just really needed this piece here. It was turning white. Whoever had it before didn't take care of it. It's a 2016, so I bought it used, if you guys want to know. Looks good, man. Took a little bit of time. I actually took a break. I actually went in the house, took a little break. Get some cold water. It is hot out here. But biggest thing I can say is make sure you take time to remember where bolts goes where. If not, there's also videos online to show you how to actually put the bolts back in when you're putting the bumper back. It's not hard at all. Next video I'm gonna put out is actually gonna be about probably putting bigger tires on the car. I want to put something a little wider, a little bit more grip. You know, thinking about putting bigger rims, but I think I'm just gonna leave the 20s on here, man. Anything else I could think of about this video today, I will leave down in the comment section or in the identified section. So I want you guys to give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you guys can be up on new videos that I put out. I'm gonna start putting out more videos. Like I say, the Army's taking up a lot of my time. I am a full-time soldier, so that takes up most of my time, and I'm a family man too, so I'm gonna try to put out new videos as soon as possible. New mods coming soon, so like I say, you guys can like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I need to get my subscribers up. But if you guys like what I did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, man. And be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions. I will answer all questions. I do ask questions to YouTubers, and I also answer questions. I'm not like an average YouTuber that won't say anything to you. But if you have any problems with putting it on, just shoot me a holler, man. Like I say, it's very easy to put on. It's just that you have to be very careful with the tabs. The tabs can break very easy. And it's not a bad look, man. This new black piece is, because I don't know if you guys know, but on the challenges, these things fade. So just want to get a new look, and then I'm going to paint the bumper soon. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys next time.